Show the main machine and all the accessories. Install accessory holder. Place the handles in the accessory holder. Install the handle. Insert the handle plug into the socket on the main machine and buckle the locks on sides. Install another handle. Install the display. Connect the display and the main unit with the ribbon cable. Assemble the display onto the main unit and fix it with screws. Remove the protection film. Install power cord. After all parts are installed, turn on the machine. Welcome interface, auto, manual, setup. Tap setup button to choose required language. Auto operation. Tap auto. The interface will enter auto operation setting interface. Auto mode. Choose treated individual's gender, age and treatment area. EMT. Only EMT works. EMS working mode. M1, EMS and EMT work simultaneously. M2, EMS and EMT work alternately. Recommended mode, M1. Tap confirm to enter the following interface. Handle status. Handles are offline. A2 handle is online. A1 handle is online. A1, A2 handles are online. Intensity A. Set the EMT energy intensity of both handles. Recommended 30%. EMS A. Set the EMS energy intensity of both handles. Recommended 5. Time, 30 minutes recommended. Buttons on the handle. Upper and lower buttons are for adjusting intensity level. Middle button is the on-off button of the handle. Manual operation. Tap manual to enter manual mode. Intensity A. Set the EMT energy intensity of both handles. Recommended 30%. Time, 30 minutes recommended. F1 section, 20 Hz recommended. F2 section, 40 Hz recommended. F3 section, 30 Hz recommended. F4 section, 20 Hz recommended. F5 section, 40 Hz recommended. F6 section, 30 Hz recommended. Handle status, on-off button. This instrument includes 2 treatment handles, which support 2 handles working simultaneously, or treatment on 2 individuals, or treatment on 2 areas of body. Tie the strap of appropriate length to the treatment area, then insert the handle into the strap. Note: remove off all the metal objects from your body to avoid unpredictable situation or affect the treatment before start. Tap on-off button to stop. Turn off the instrument, unplug the power cord, and disinfect the used handle for the next use.